First outing, the 2023-24 pheasant upland season. Central Nebraska. Let's go. Come on, Gump. Happy now? He's happy. I didn't take him out opening day or opening weekend at all. Weather was horrible. Probably would have been good, but he's an older dog. Doesn't do really well with super cold conditions, so we got him out today. So a little bit warmer, still windy, so we'll be carrying a 870 12 gauge instead of my 20 gauge, and let's see if we can find a rooster before sunset. All right, let's go. The upland grasses are fairly high, 5 foot tall here in this pasture or in this field. So trying to get him to hold for a point is going to be impossible, so we'll just keep on going. We don't run any electronics or anything, so we're old school. If he flushes one up, we're just gonna have to take the shot with or without you folks, but you'll certainly know. Bird. Into the sun naturally and the wind. Come on, find the bird. Find the one bird that we already missed. It's not. Yeah, it's probably the one bird that we saw across in front of us about 60 yards out, and I just sat there and watched it in amazement, I guess. And off the dog goes. All right, a little rusty. Come on. Are you finding a bird, or are you getting tired already? Hmm? Bird. Find a bird. No rabbits. No rabbits. Looks very rabbity here. All right, give him a minute. I hate facing into the sun, especially for quail. What we got? Pretty birdie. Yep. Let's go. Can't see nothing. Come on. Come on, we'll get back up that way. Trust me. What do we got? Find a bird. No rabbits. No Got gump on the other side of this bramble, this plum thicket. I already saw one bird bust out. Couldn't tell if it was a hen. Well, we might have some surrounded. It's gone already, Gump. I saw him fly away. Right? I saw him. Give it a minute here in this area in case there was multiples, but I only saw the one. We'll get Gump out to some shorter grass. This is where he really typically shines. If there's any birds that made it out here, you can run them down. This is where you'll see the most amount of hens. And all I got to do is watch him and run up to him when he gets on something. I expect some wild flushes, some false points. We're just getting started this season and pretty much took the year off last year because I was hurt, which was a total waste for him. But there goes another bird. See him going? It's a hen heading out in the corn. There's another. There's several hens. 5, 6 hens just bordering the corn that still hasn't been harvested. That's exactly what I was expecting, and he's gonna go nuts when he picks up all this scent. It's good to see all the birds. Hopefully they'll survive much of the season here. What we need is just a solid point on a rooster. Come on, this way. See if we can find a straggler over here. Or you find one over there. Alright, we're kind of set the wind. We had our wind shift. And now we're kind of crosswind instead of facing into the wind as I planned. So you'll see some sudden moves by Gump. See, catch a scent. He'll track a little bit differently, because the scent cone has changed in relationship to the way we're walking. But we'll try to get him pointed directly north into the wind, or directly into the wind. That's just shifting around a little bit here. Crazy. Must be climate change. He's having fun though. I like the shorter fields where he can run and stretch, and I can see him the whole time. Well, did you find a bird? Well, where's the bird? Huh? Good boy. Come here. I want you to cross the road. Come on. All right. Some water? Come here. Water? Now. Some water now. Huh? One more? Yeah, more? Okay. We're gonna go home. Hey, come here. Today's not a heavy day, man. Not a heavy hunt day. You were a good boy. You were my good boy. All right, just my fault for not shooting at least at that one. But it is what it is, Gump.